So let's proceed with the next bidder, the IAC Fuel Station. And may I ask again, Sir Warren, to open the bid documents submitted by IAC Fuel Station.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The bill proposal in a sealed envelope submitted by EAK Fuel Station for PR number 2026-05-0045 was received at the Procurement Unit Office on May 25, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. First, we have the request for quotation. We have the certificate of field jobs registration valid until December 17, 2026. Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2026. DTI certificate of registration valid until January 24, 2028. Annual income tax return. Omnibus sworn statement. An affidavit executed by Edward A. Kaiser of legal age, married Filipino and residing at
I, Edward A. Kaiser, of legal age, married Filipino and residing at Kalanan, Kalinga City, after having been duly sworn in accordance with the law, do hereby depose and state the following. That I am the sole proprietor of IAC Fuel Station with office address at Kalanan, Tabuk City, Kalinga. As the owner and sole proprietor or authorized representative of IAK Fuel Station, I have full power and authority to do, execute, and perform any and all acts necessary to participate, submit the bid, and to sign, execute ensuing contract for PR number 2026-05-0045 of the Department of Public Works and Highways, Lower Kalinga District Engineering Office. IAK Fuel Station is not blacklisted or barred from bidding by the government of the Philippines or any agencies, offices, corporation, or local government units, foreign government, foreign or international financing institution whose blacklisting rules have been recognized by the Government Procurement Policy Board, by itself or by relation, membership, association, affiliation, or controlling interest with another blacklisted person or entity. Each of the documents submitted in satisfaction of the bidding requirements is an authentic copy of the original, complete, and all statements and information provided therein are true and correct. IAK Fuel Station is authorizing the head of the procuring entity or its duly authorized representatives to verify all documents submitted. Edward A. Kaiser and its spouse are not related by consanguinity or affinity up to the third civil degree to the head of the procuring entity, procurement agent, end user or implementing unit. Project consultants, head of the project management office, or the members of the bids and awards committee, the technical working group, and the back secretariat. It is understood that failure to faithfully disclose its relationship with the head of the procuring entity, members of the BAC, the TWG and the BAC Secretariat, the head of the PMO or the end user unit or implementing unit, and the project consultant of the procuring entity or of the procurement agent by consanguinity or affinity up to the third civil degree, as well as its submission of beneficial ownership information containing false entries shall be subject to blacklisting under Section 100 of the Implementing Rules and Regulation of Republic Act Number 12009 without prejudice to criminal and civil liability under applicable laws, including their accessory penalties, if any. EAK Fuel Station declare its beneficial ownership information consistent with its updated General Information Sheet or Beneficial Ownership Declaration from any document duly submitted to the SEC or its maintained valid, updated therein compliance to RA 12009. EAK Fuel Station complies with existing labor laws and standard. EAK Fuel Station is aware has been undertaken the following responsibilities: carefully examining all the documents, bidding documents, acknowledge all conditions, local or otherwise, affecting the implementation of the contract, made an estimate of the facilities available and needed for the contract, inquire or secure supplemental bid issued for PR number 2026-05-0045. EAK Fuel Station did not give or pay directly or indirectly any commission, amount, or any form of consideration, pecuniary or otherwise, to any person or official, personnel, or representative of the government in relation to any procurement or activity. In case of advance payment was made to EAK Fuel Station, failure to perform or deliver any of the obligations and undertakings in the contract shall be sufficient grounds to constitute criminal liability for under existing laws. Signed, Attorney Edward A. Kaiser, and duly notarized.
Complying?
Thank you, Sir Alfred. So let's proceed to the next bidder, the Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station. So may I ask again, Sir Alfred, to open the bid documents. Sir Warren, sorry. To open the bid documents submitted by Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The bid proposal submitted by Golden Oil Exchange Gasoline Station for PR number 2026-05-0045 was received at the Procurement Unit Office on May 25, 2026 at 9:33 a.m. So first we have the request for quotation. Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2026. PhilJEP's registration valid until November 25, 2026. Omnibus sworn statement. An omnibus sworn statement executed by Marciana Ganaba Tacloban of Legal Aids, married, Filipino, and residing at Purok 3, Bulanao, Tabuk City, Kalinga, stating that Marciana Ganaba Tacloban is the sole proprietor of Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station with office address at Purok 6, Bulanao, Tabuk City, Kalinga. That as the owner and sole proprietor of Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station, Marciana Ganaba Tacloban has the full power and authority to do, execute, and perform any and all acts necessary to participate in the bidding for PR number 2026-05-00045, that the Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station is not blacklisted or barred from bidding by the government of the Philippines or any of its agencies, offices, corporations, or local government units, foreign government, or foreign or international financing institution whose blacklisting rules have been recognized by the GPPB. That each of the documents submitted in satisfaction of the bidding requirement is an authentic copy of the original, complete, and all statements and information provided therein are true and correct. That Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station is authorizing the Hope or its duly authorized representative to verify all the documents submitted. That the owner or sole proprietor is not related to the Hope, members of the BAC, the TWG, the BAC Secretariat, the head of the Project Management Office or the end-user unit, and the project consultants by consanguinity or affinity up to the third civil degree. That Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station complies with existing labor laws and standards. That Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station is aware of and has undertaken the responsibilities as a bidder. That Golden Oil Exchange did not give or pay directly or indirectly any commission, amount, fee, or any form of consideration, pecuniary or otherwise, to any person or official, personnel, or representative of the government in relation to any procurement project or activity. That in case advance payment was made or given, failure to perform or deliver any of the obligations and undertakings in the contract shall be sufficient grounds to constitute criminal liability for swindling. Signed, Marciana Ganaba Tacloban, duly notarized. Mr. Chairman, again, the omnibus sworn statement attached by Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station in this bid proposal is the old form, which is not under the prescribed form under the RA 12009.
So anyway, we have here the bidder who attend our bid opening. So next time we must updated on the RA 12009. So to use the new form. The same with the Upland Oil Incorporation. So okay, so our bidder is convinced on the using the old form. So Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station is non-complying. So again, the three bidder, we opened the bid proposal, but the two, the Upland Oil Incorporation and Golden Oil Exchange gasoline station is non-complying. So we have here the IAC fuel station is the only one who complied on our form. So may I ask again, Sir Warren, to read or open the financial quotation of IAC fuel station.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The total amount of bid offered by EAK fuel station for PR number 2026-05-0045 is amounting to 1,297,500. That is in words, in figure 1,297,500.
Thank you, Sir Warren. So may I ask the Secretariat to collate all the documents submitted by IAC fuel station and turn over to the technical working group for them to verify, clarify, or clarify the truthfulness of all the documents attached by IAC fuel station for this contract ID 2026-05-0045. And if all the documents are true and correct, then they have come out with the recommending or resolution for the back to recommend for the approval of the head of the procuring entity, the HOPE. So that's end of our procurement activities for today, May 25, 2026. And thank you, mga bidders. Thank you for participation. And we will see again next time. No. So thank you, back members, for your time and sacrifice or the jury duty of our procurement activities. Same with the TWG, the procurement, the caretaker of the procurement head, our assistant district engineer, also the IT who is in charge on our live streaming. Thank you also for those followed us on our live streaming. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.